Deputy Chief Minister Losii strongly condemned the reported attack on Naga civilians allegedly carried out by armed Kuki militants between Makui Asang and Thanamba Naga along the IT road in Gampope district. The attack reportedly claimed the lives of 5 civilians while another person sustained grave injuries. Expressing deep pain over the incident, Dikho said such violence poses a serious threat to peace, normalcy and progress in the state. He termed the targeting of innocent civilians reprehensible and said no such act can be justified under any circumstances. The Deputy Chief Minister assured that all necessary support should be extended to the injured and affected families. He conveyed his deepest condolences to the bereaved families and said he shares their grief during the difficult hour. Dikho appealed to all sections of the people to reject violence in all forms. He urged the public not to allow such incidents to deepen existing divisions or undermine efforts towards peace and normalcy in Manipur.